So I got a 2012 F150 Platinum, the one with the dual AC controls in the front. So I don't know if you can hear this. Whenever I go down with the blower speed, nothing changes. You can see it right here. Nothing changes. It feels like it's on 2 or 3. Like it's just not really much going on. So the blower motor resistor was a possible solution, but usually they were saying that it breaks all the way in the high position or off, and that is not the case here. So I took a long shot and I tried it. So this is actually the old one plugged in. It is very hot, so we're gonna turn it off. And it is not working. I already have the new one installed. I want to show kind of how it acts different. I don't know if you'll be able to see what I'm doing, but they got a little tab right here on the back. You just push that in and pull it off. I won't be able to show it in the video. Let me do it real quick off camera. Pull that off. And you can kind of see it right there installed. I'm gonna go ahead and plug that sucker in. Starting up. You can already feel the vents blowing way harder. It's all the way down. All the way up, and definitely can feel the difference right there. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera. Definitely can feel the difference. This has been broken probably since I bought the truck. I just thought the AC sucked. But quick, easy fix. Went down to Oriellys. Cost me 60, 70 bucks. There's your part number right there. Hope that helps, guys.